Cells are the smallest living units in the organism and are made up of cell membrane, which separates inside of the cell from its environment, cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like fluid inside the cell, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. Cells are of two types. They can be either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Organisms which have prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes, and the organisms that have eukaryotic cells are called eukaryotes. Generally, bacteria and archaea come under prokaryotes, whereas plants, animals, and fungi come under eukaryotes. If the genetic material, that is the DNA, is bounded by a nuclear envelope, then it forms a definite nucleus. Cells having such nucleus are known as eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, there is no such covering around the genetic material. DNA is freely floating in the cytoplasm, and such genetic material which is not covered by nuclear envelope is known as nucleoid. Nucleoid is not a structure, but it just denotes the area where DNA is present. Prokaryotes are the first and oldest organisms. It is believed that even eukaryotes are evolved from prokaryotes. So nucleus plays the major role in understanding whether a cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Apart from nucleus, there are organelles inside the cells which perform specific function. For example, mitochondria is an organelle that provides energy to the cell. Eukaryotic cells have various types of organelles, but in prokaryotes, we only see ribosomes, where proteins are manufactured. Eukaryotes depend on cell organelles, but prokaryotes can live without them because they are very small. Though eukaryotic cells are very small to see with our naked eye, they are very big when compared to prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, different cell organelles perform different functions. On the other hand, prokaryotic cells have an advantage due to their small size and simplicity, because of which they have larger surface to volume ratio. This ratio enables them to grow and reproduce faster and satisfy the nutritional needs. Now we understand that prokaryotes won't have a nucleus and they are devoid of cell organelles except ribosome. Interesting fact is that all prokaryotes are unicellular, which means entire organism is made up of a single cell. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, can either be unicellular or multicellular. In unicellular, we can see fungi and protista, whereas in multicellular, we see plants and animals. So, eukaryotes contain nucleus, prokaryotes contain nucleoids. See you all in